ITV now takes a look at a survey that claims a high rate of harassment in the IT and BPO industries. At first glance, these 21st century employment options would appear to be safer for women, but it's clear that here as elsewhere, a lot still needs to be done.
The gleaming, modern face of India's IT and BPO industry. Does it hide a high rate of sexual harassment? Yes, says the Centre for Transforming India, which carried out a survey of 600 women respondents in cities across India. The survey showed that 88% of the women surveyed had been subjected to or had witnessed what could be considered sexual harassment during the course of their work, and that almost half the employees did not know what process to follow in such a case.
Our research finding states that most of the incidents, almost 90% of the incidents, they occur outside the office. Now that throws a critical legal challenge in front of the corporates, because something which is occurring outside the office, is often treated as a personal behavior rather than as a professional behavior.
The BPO industry is perhaps more vulnerable in the context of so many women working on night shifts. The horrific rape and murder of Bangalore BPO employee Pratibha Murthy, heading in for a night shift, did make the industry tighten its safety norms. But sexual harassment can slip through these safety barriers, with women's senior colleagues believed to be responsible in most cases. A young worker in Nokia committed suicide 2 years ago, alleging harassment by her managers. But at least some in the BPO industry say they do keep employees informed and aware. 24/7 Customer says there has been just one serious case in the last 10 years of the company's existence, and strict action was taken then, and that many complaints are due to misconception and misunderstanding.
Every employee who comes into the organization has to sign off on the anti-sexual harassment policy that we give out to them. They need to understand it. We have annual awareness programs and so on and so forth. We also have a private email ID called Reach. That ID is accessible only to me.
But BPOs agree that awareness programs should be ongoing, and that perhaps surveys like this will ensure better steps towards a healthy working environment.
The BPO industry says it does have systems in place to protect its employees. Sexual harassment is, of course, a dark reality in workplaces across India. And it would be sad if this new and gleaming BPO and IT industry carries along with it the traditional ills of older workspaces.
With Karthik Mahajan in New Delhi, Maya Sharma in Bangalore for NDTV.